Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then just tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and thanks to which you will be transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here in the center, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously open tabs. So if you want to close only one of it or 2 of them, just find the app and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, then simply tap on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. Let's enter the recents to check. No worries, sometimes the last app will not be closed, but of course you can do it manually. And thanks to this, we have no recent items. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.